Buddy the dog, you just passed away today. I think I just said Steve. Buddy, Steve would really love it if you would come through. Let him know you're okay. Buddy, I know that you're here with me, and I know that you want to say something to Steve. So this is your chance, baby dog. I'm going to turn on the necrophonic again. You also have the little balls that you can play with and everything. So buddy, whatever you need to say to Steve, say. Can you touch one of the balls for me? Just touch one or roll one. Good boy, buddy. This means so much to Steve. Can you roll it again? Push it for me, sweet boy. Make it light up. It would mean so much to Steve. Can you please make it roll and light up? Thank you, buddy, you sweet little boy. They miss you so much. You're the sweetest. Come on, push it. You can. Come on, buddy. Can you roll it for me, please? Can you do that for me, buddy? Can you roll it again for me? Come on, honey. You can do it. I know you can. You're such a strong boy. There you go. I see you slowly moving it. Come on, honey. Push it. You can do it. There. Good boy. Good boy.